Have you ever wondered why you're not rich? What's your answer? Guess what? Most people either blame the government, the taxes, their job, boss, family circumstances, expenses, surroundings, economy, environment, and so on and so on and so on. But the truth is, you suck because you suck. I'm going to share the reasons why people don't get rich. Go to school, study well, get a degree, go to a job, get a pension, retire, then die. That's the story summary of many people around this world. Many people's career is this. People are unfortunately not thought about financial management, which is one of the key skills in today's global economy. Are you able to manage your money? Can you make more money out of the existing money that you have in your wallet? Unfortunately, people are unable to do this and they struggle at this, and therefore, that's one of the reasons why they don't become rich. The second one, the reluctance to work hard and a lot of self doubt. Ever wonder why you got low marks in a test sometimes? Why you lost that potential client? Why you couldn't master something? Get this in your head. Sometimes people are freaking goddamn lazy. And because of this, they slack off at the wrong time and they don't slack off at the right time. You don't get the freaking work done, which means that you have no chance of getting stinking rich. To get filthy rich, you need to get filthy first. Third one, being a bad workman, blaming his goddamn tools. You blame everybody else around you because you are not going to accept the fact that you cannot become rich because of your freaking attitude towards becoming rich. Remember, your actions are what define you, not someone else's. Not your boss, not your schools, not your families or the governments. They may cause problems, but it's up to you to get out of those goddamn problems. Blaming shit on everybody else is not gonna solve the problem. It's not gonna clean up the shit. It's gonna make more shit and more stinking hell near you. You get that? Blaming does not clean shit. Doing something to get out of the problem cleans the shit. A missing goal. That's the fourth thing. Some people don't have a freaking goal in their life. Some ambition in their damn heads. Something that they want to achieve. If they don't have this ambition or goal, they'll just drift around in life doing nothing but wasting their precious time given to them by God and everybody else and not achieving anything. And therefore, if you don't achieve anything, there's no money obtained. And therefore, at the end, you don't want to become rich. You can't become rich. Fifth one, lack of skills and value. The current world economy is an economy that values people and rewards people for the skills that they possess and the value that they deliver to this world. This world economy, is a service based economy. Services and a skill based economy. Skills are valued and rewarded more than anything else. If you don't have the skills and deliver the value that makes you valued in this world, then I don't know what the frick is going to happen to you. You're going to be one neglected, left behind person. Working hard, but working hard for the goddamn wrong thing. That's the sixth reason. Everybody's busy. Every freaking one is busy or acts busy. And they mask this busyness under the name of productivity. Busyness is a form of laziness, according to me, and to many other people. People don't even know why the hell are they working for or what the hell are they working for. That's the poor situation of this world. Getting things done by getting maximum output and desired results only are going to make you rich in this world. This, these are the six reasons that I wanted to share with you about why people are goddamn broke. Think about this. Think about what I'm going to say really, really carefully. Bill Gates said, if you are born poor, that isn't your mistake. But if you die poor, that's your goddamn mistake. He didn't tell goddamn, but it's your mistake. Think about it and consider living a prosperous life. Thank you guys for watching the Jack Reaper channel and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button.